The pass.
Good find.
Oh!
Bam!
Alan Ramos.
Good start for Alan Ramos. Got to give the flowers din dito sa teammate niya for finding
Si
him.
Orbeta. The ball. Orbeta. Pass. Alan Ramos once again. Money ball for Alan Ramos.
Yeah, that's Mr. Microwave for you. Napakaganda ng ginagawa ni Alan Ramos dito. Just staying it in his spot para at least hindi masyadong mag-drop down yung defense doon. Once na ma-rewardan siya mabigyan ng bola, talaga nakaka-capitalize na yung shot niya.
And mahirap pag biglang nag-init talaga.
Sobra.
Di ba?
Oo.
Yeah, di ba? Alan Ramos.
Don't give him space.
Oh.
Huwag
Eto
ka
na
under
naman.
dyan.
Bang!
Bang! Huwag ka
Bombs
under
away!
dyan. Don't go under pag may screen kay Ramos. Nako, kakatayin ka niyan. Sabrina talaga sapatos niya. Sabi niya, yan daw swerte sa kanya eh.
Yung violet yung red. Eto kay Jerwin.
Automatic.
No
Sayang.
good. And
Ganda, ganda. Nice.
GDL Lancaster riding on the hot hands of Mr. Alan Ramos. 3-3 ang pinakawalan niyan. Here in this quarter. Lakas stress of the quarter hatid sa inyo ng Sun Sport, the official basketball of Sinag Liga Asia.
Andyan pa si Verroque.
First 3 points.
Wow.
Nice.
Whoa!
He's on!
Whoa!
He's on!
Grabe! Grabe yung snatch back ni Alan Ramos dun.
Wow, Alan Ramos
My
is feeling
God.
it. That's his fourth three-pointer.
Wow.
Nice step back. Lakas shot of the corner. Hatid sa inyo ng Star Bomb Sport Care.
Grabe.
Just like Reggie Miller does it. And
Grabe yun.
wow. Number 31 baka mo, Reggie Miller. And he is really doing it.
Na-speechless ako dun ah.
And idol niya Reggie Miller. Alam mo yung parang,
Hindi, automatic kasi coach eh. Knowing he's a shooter, hard close out yung ginawa ni Coach Ryan. He was able to recognize it. Rip hard going right. So na-cut siya ni Coach Ryan dun. Quick snatch back.
and he
Galing.
is really on fire here at 12 points for Alan Ramos.
Grabe yun ah. Hindi mo makamove on dun ah.
Pag mainit talaga siya, mainit eh. No?
Oo. Sila half-court coach. Talagang may timing tsaka talagang being very patient sila dun sa mga plays nila. And actually, maganda pa dito. Kaya sila lamang
First game rather, na medyo sloped down pace because of the fouls. Ito medyo mabilis as we take a look at our leading scorers. Fulienta leading the way with 8, Ryan Ramos with 7, Bautista and Nagara with 6. Alan Ramos went on a scoring run in that quarter. All the points of GDL in that quarter coming from Alan Ramos with 12 points. Because he's good friends with some of the
Yes,
players dito. Nakasama nila dun sa
bombs
bombs away!
Grabe talaga tong batang to.
Batang to batang to. And that's why I also love coaching him. Diba? Grabe yung pagiging shooter niya eh.
Lahat dominant in each of their own way.
And a huge shout out syempre to our bosses, Chairman Rocky Chan, President 35 season, di ba, tournament? Hindi lamang po tayo mga pangkabataan, di ba? Mga board 2001, board 2000.